Hey guys, it's Squish 101, and today I'm going to be showing you my slime. So let's get on with it. Oh, you guys are on. I did not know you guys were on. I didn't. No, I didn't. I'm serious. But you probably saw it. Yes. I did 4 of them. Except I don't want 3. I already did 3. So this is the one I'm going to be showing you guys first. This is my first one, and I love this one. This is actually my favorite one. I got it in my hair. No, I didn't. Good. And does anybody know Kylie Jenner? Comment down below if you know Kylie Jenner, because she does the duck lips. I love the duck lips. They're so funny. And she does the twerkings. Oh, I didn't do it that time. Hold on. Oh my god, I can't get out there. Okay. So let me get this out. Okay, it won't do it. Next is this one. It's really hard slime. It's really hard. I mean, really hard. Look at it. Super hard. It's gray, and I shouldn't have said that if McKenna was watching this. And I just realized nothing's in here. Probably Skylar sold it. Exactly. And then there's this slime. It's also this slime. It's green. It's really soft. Don't ever leave your slimes out. Slime out. Or else it's gonna turn into hard rock. Watch. This rock, but it's actually pretty. I probably did a video on this one and this one. Yeah, I did. Yeah, I did a video on them too. I remember doing it. Probably just gonna have to watch that one. And also, I'm gonna show you. This one. I can't show you this one. And also, my nail polish. Yeah, this is my second nail polish. Well, usually I put this on Skylar because it's small. But all you need is glue, shaving cream, this, mix it together in a bowl. Oh shit. Ew. Sorry, I said shit. And that's it. That's all you need. I ruined this slime. I put it in paper and I'm why did I do that? I messed the whole entire thing up. So that was a total fail, that one. But don't leave them out. They're going to turn like this. They're going to turn like that. You don't want that, do you? So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Why did I say it so fast? Please click like and subscribe and follow me on Musical.ly. Bye. Slime day.